Hey everyone, this is Sam with Fair Flipping with the second of 3 PS2s that I bought for 10 bucks. The first one needed a new laser. The other one I haven't gotten around to even opening yet, but this one, it's a little different. It says it won't read, but it seems its biggest issue might be the fact that it can't open its disc tray. Yeah, I don't even hear it trying. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up manually and see what's going on in here. Hey, that's got a bright laser even though it doesn't open. Let's Alright, let's try the screw adjustment that never ever freaking works. Yeah, it's time for new laser. Alright, it's a few days later and wow, let me tell you, Loot Hive on eBay, I'm gonna put them in the description for this video. They got this to me so fast, and I love it when that happens. I was about to say, I'm not sure why there's a wasp, but it's the Loot Hive. I get it now. Alright. So let's see what we got here. Alright, we got one shiny new laser. I'm gonna have to get my soldering iron out and get those anti-static blobs off, but this is exactly what I ordered. Brand new, it looks like. It's beautiful. Yeah, let's get this thing put in. Okay, I am convinced that it's reading, so I'm going to go ahead and start the cleaning process first, get it completely broken down, cleaned up, put back together, and then we'll move on to testing. That's it, completely taken apart down to nuts and guts. Several parts I'm going to have to clean just with Q-tips and alcohol, which is a real pain. I can't figure out how to get the buttons off of the front panel, so I'm going to have to hand wash it a little at a time and make sure I don't get it that wet. But yeah, let's go get everything cleaned up so we can get it back together and on to testing. Alright, I've got all those other parts cleaned and drying. They came out really nice. I'm very pleased with the way it came out. It looked pretty bad and just a little bit of dawn, and now it looks great. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean the fan and the memory card / controller module and the fins for the heatsink with some rubbing alcohol. The board doesn't appear to have any mysterious dust or funk. Yeah, this is coming along real fast and real nice, and I love that, especially after working on Wii's for a couple weeks in a row. Man, it's nice to do something that doesn't require an advanced engineering degree to complete. right, there you have it. A few mistakes, a few dozen interruptions, and a little bit of frustration, and it's all back together. And I guess that means that I get to sit here for the rest of my night and play Kingdom Hearts for you guys and make sure that this thing is definitely working. Once again, I'm pretty happy with the way it came out as opposed to the way it used to look, but yeah, it's got some scuffing on top as things tend to do, and I mean, it doesn't look 100%, but I mean, I'm guessing the buyer won't care since it does have a brand new laser in there, and it should give them several years of playtime before it shits the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and hook everything up, change the camera over, and play some Kingdom Hearts. Alright, I've got that PS2 that has that new laser put into it, set up and ready for testing. I've got Kingdom Hearts there in the disc tray. It's kind of slowing down at work a little bit, so I might actually be able to sit and focus. So I'm just going to sit here and play this till I get bored. Alright, yeah, that seems like that's working just fine. I'm especially pleased with how the console itself came out. I'm glad that the laser was in fact the problem, the issue, so it was a pretty cheap repair. The console itself only cost me about $3, so yeah, this is gonna make a great eBay listing. I guess, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week, probably with another PS2.